Hello, hello. This is Kenzie. Kenzie Olivas, and this is my garden bed. Uh, so for preparing the soil, I kind of began scraping along the hard surface soil. Um, this is mostly just like hardened dirt, just trying to look for the wet soil on the bed and pulling all the weeds. So the weeds would receive nutrients, and my plants would receive nutrients. Uh, so at the bottom right here. This was my cilantro, my broccoli, my Chinese cabbage, my scarlet kale, my Swiss chard, and my onion. So for planting, I put each plant at least half or an inch deep into the ground. Mostly for the transplants, I did an inch deep and a half for the directing seeds. And I did 10 inches away from each plant so they wouldn't like collide together, combine and wouldn't look all messy. And the most one I tried focusing on was the onion because with the onion they tend to bloom and I did not want the plants to, get mixed in with it. And I tried making the most basic planting bed, just like horizontal for each one. Um, Nothing too fancy. I just want to be safe and, let my plants look like they're growing. For the directing seeds, I planted 25 total of the cilantro, 5 in each little pit. 12 seeds for the broccoli. Uh, the cabbage, I did 9. Scarlet, I did 9. Scarlet and Swiss, I did 9. And onion, I did 12. I wanted to put more season for at least the cabbage. I don't know, like cabbage in the picture, only one grew, and I was kind of disappointed. I just wanted to see that like huge green bloom, but yeah, I was kind of sad about that. For the cilantro, most of them are like dicots. Um, The Chinese cabbage is a dicot. Forgot to label that. And then scarlet dicot, and then onions monocots. But yeah, they're all an inch deep and 2 inches away um, from each other. I wanted to bring them all the ones close so I can just have that little line, the horizontal color. And yeah, and these are the pictures. Um, cilantro, broccoli. Middle one didn't really grow. Cabbage, I was mostly disappointed. Only one grew, and the rest did all right. Looks like the Swiss didn't though. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you. I enjoyed this class, and have a good semester.